Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Chevy Malibu headlight. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a new headlight bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool before starting any work. Remember to wear protective gloves. Touching the new bulb's glass can significantly shorten its lifespan due to oil residue. Now, let's access the headlight bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood and locating the headlight assembly you need to replace. You will typically find 2 or 3 retaining clips or screws securing the assembly in place. Use your flathead screwdriver or socket wrench to carefully remove these fasteners. Once they are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward to create enough space to work on the bulb. With the assembly accessible, it's time to replace the bulb. First, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Next, depending on your specific model, you will either twist the old bulb counterclockwise or unclip it from its housing. Once removed, take your new bulb, still wearing gloves, and insert it into the housing, twisting or clipping it securely into place. Ensure it is firmly seated. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect the electrical connector to your newly installed bulb. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, ensuring it aligns properly with the mounting points. Reinstall the 2 or 3 retaining clips or screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Before closing the hood, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is functioning correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.